How can a massive machine repeatedly slam into the ground without using any electricity at all? Why does every single impact sound like a small explosion? Is it really possible that this machine relies mostly on gravity, yet can drive steel deep into the earth? And even more surprising, why is this old technology still used in modern construction today? A diesel pile driver may look like a simple vertical steel structure, but inside, it operates using a powerful combination of gravity, air compression, and fuel combustion. The system is made up of a tall cylinder, a heavy moving ram or piston, an anvil that transfers force directly to the pile, and a diesel fuel injection system. The process begins when the ram is lifted to the top using a crane or external mechanism, and this step only serves as the starting point. Once the ram is released, the entire system becomes self-sustaining. The ram falls downward due to gravity. We're accelerating rapidly as it moves inside the cylinder. As it descends, air becomes trapped and is compressed with extreme force, causing both the pressure and temperature to rise dramatically at the perfect moment. Just before the ram reaches the bottom, diesel fuel is injected into the hot compressed air. Because of the intense heat, the fuel ignites instantly without the need for a spark plug, a process known as compression ignition. First developed by Rudolf Diesel, this sudden combustion creates a powerful explosion that adds to the downward force of the falling ram, producing an enormous impact that drives the pile deeper into the ground with each strike. At the same time, the energy released from this explosion pushes the ram back upward, resetting the system automatically. The cycle then repeats continuously in a loop of rising, falling, compressing, igniting, and striking, allowing the machine to operate without any external electrical power. This technology was developed in the early 20th century as an improvement over steam hammers, which required large boilers and complex systems. By the 1920s and 1930s, diesel pile drivers became widely used in major construction projects such as bridges, ports, and high-rise building foundations. Interestingly, the loud booming sound is not just caused by the impact of metal hitting the pile, but also by the combustion happening inside the cylinder. In very soft soil, the machine can lose efficiency because the compression is not strong enough to trigger proper ignition, while in harder ground, performance actually improves due to stronger compression. Even today, despite the availability of modern hydraulic systems, diesel pile drivers are still widely used because they are simple, durable, cost-effective, and highly reliable in extreme conditions. What may look like a basic falling, the mechanism is actually a sophisticated system that combines gravity, thermodynamics, and mechanical energy into one incredibly powerful and efficient machine.